This train is for Coleraine, Nook of Ferns, 8:19 a.m, 87 minutes to go. And so he goes, in cap disguising thinning hair and with aching, creaking bones, in failing eyesight and hearing that lately has begun to miss the softer tones in Helen's voice. The train leaves behind the cast iron fretwork of the station, the pennanted wooden fascia, Tullins, Windy Hole, Knock-and-Turn, Lochan-Ray, Fishlochan, Couldery, McFinn. The old names preserved in townlands and parishes, the history of the place, written light, spoken low, so only the alert will hear. This is what it feels like to travel through history. This is what we do here, move forward while facing back, keeping a sharp eye on what has been, in case it gets a run on us, overtakes on our blind side.